their website, BlackRock states that everything we do is guided by the conviction that investors need this clarity at every point in the investment process in order to make more informed decisions, scale efficiently, and achieve better investment outcomes. In pursuit of this goal, we are relentlessly innovating and constantly evolving Aladdin technology. More than investment software, Aladdin technology brings clarity and connectivity to the world's financial ecosystem.
Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from realizing that it is now apparent that we only have about 12 months to educate and organize the masses. The future of humanity hinges on our ability to stop the rise of digital biocapitalism, the intended outcome of this pandemic.
Meet Aladdin, the computer more powerful than traditional politics. Aladdin, asset, liability, debt, and derivative investment network, is the artificial intelligence that controls more wealth than any country on Earth. This AI is so powerful that in the last 10 years, it has quietly created the world's largest ever company, gobbling up every asset class across every industry, from telco to beauty to media to food to tech companies. Aladdin now controls $21 trillion of our global economy. To put that into perspective, that's more than the $20 trillion GDP of the US or the $15 trillion GDP of the entire European Union.
By the end of this video, you'll learn about Aladdin, the AI that owns the world. Over the last decade, Aladdin has gone from leader to ultimate dominator in all financial markets everywhere.
The New Statesman wrote, the total physical cash of all 7.6 billion people and every company bank vault, wallet, and piggy bank in the world is around $5 trillion. Aladdin has grown into a system responsible for more than 4 times the value of all the money in the world. This AI directs the actions of the US Federal Reserve, almost every major bank and investment fund on Wall Street, and over 17,000 traders. It controls half of all ETFs, 17% of the bond market, 10% of the global stock market, and carries out 250,000 trades every single day, along with billions of forecasts every week. Year after year, it hoovers up trillions of data points on every market, every company, every asset, and now every person on the planet. What we buy, sell, and say. In this way, it learns what to buy and what to sell far better than any human being. Every major bank, corporation, and investment fund has come to rely on Aladdin and its all-powerful AI and algorithms to beat the market. Those who don't get on board the magic carpet have collapsed and failed in Aladdin's wake. Don't expect the government to protect you. In his infinite wisdom, Joe Biden appointed BlackRock executive Brian Deese as head of the National Economic Council, which basically means the oversight of Aladdin and BlackRock is now the responsibility of, well, BlackRock. Uncle Joe hasn't stopped there though. He also appointed BlackRock Chief of Staff to be Assistant Secretary of the Treasury. This means BlackRock is now the Treasury as well as the Treasury Advisor. We know this would be hilarious if it wasn't horrifyingly true. The genie is now out of the bottle, and Aladdin has already reached a tipping point where one robot controls more wealth than any person or country. As Aladdin's AI capabilities continue to grow, and with its rate of control rising by another $1 to $2 trillion in new assets every year, it looks inevitable that Wall Street's secret weapon could end up owning everything and we will end up owning nothing. Where have we heard that before? If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.